So the People's National Party will do well in terms of the number of votes. But the electoral results by 8 o'clock tomorrow will be in favor of the Jamaica Labour Party. And I want to be fair and tell you this. It really has nothing to do with the type of campaign the PNP ran. It really has to do with the performance of the government. The performance of the government will win it the election. Even if the PNP ran the best campaign, they wouldn't win. Their chances at picking up about 4 or 5 more seats were thwarted because of how they ran the campaign.